What is cooking today, bros? My name is Elijah, and welcome back to our Let's Play on Vlogger Go Viral. It should be loading up. I don't know what's going on here. So I am just going to clear all these pages out. Jesus Christ. Okay. Forget what you've seen. I'll try and reload it here. We'll see if it wants to work. I do not know how I made that noise, but Jesus Christ, the views are in, man. A vlogger convention? Whoa! Alright, let's look through these comments. Alright. Oops. Alright. So, we got all kinds of stuff going on here. I left for a while and Jiminy Crickets. All kinds of crap going on. Oh my gosh, I have so much money. So many views. Look at the views. What's this? No, what did I do? Crabbles. Alright, here's some advertisement for a game. Yay, game. Best game. Best game 2016. Would game again. Good job, guys. Oh my god. Sorry, this is... What have I done? Nobody knows. Alright, I guess that just gives me advertisement then? Okie doke. I'm gonna try and keep the money I have. I am just gonna upgrade that kind of stuff. Obnoxious Fruit, I'm gonna level 3. Mr. Obnoxious Fruit friend. Let's check out our achievements and claim the stuff. Is this something? There we go. Is that it? That's it. Alright. So, let us make a video. I think fashion is viral right now, so we're going to do fashion. Alright, I'm just going to get this started, and then we'll do our little trick-a-trick. Never mind, I'm going to tap this to... I'm going to tap that on the bottom right till it gets to 0, just to get that achievement. Oh my gosh. Comments are full already. Woo! Alright, so just liking the comments, getting this done. No. Bad comment. Okay. Coffee. Alright. Okay, I'm just gonna do the trick. I'm just doing it. Sorry. Alright, so now we're back. Video is finished. Things are good. I'm going to publish this. Woo! It was viral. Righty-dighty. This is awesome. Just going to like the bad comments. Let's go for that. Can't get enough of the hate. Dude, my views! Why can't I get that many views in real life? I want it all. Just kidding. Cross promotion. Alright. That was a waste of money. Do this, and do this. Alright. We're still pretty high up in the world money-wise. There's no doubt about that. We have some muns. Just gonna keep leveling that up. Oh! I have a laptop. Dude! Dude! That's so cool! The views! Shh. The views! Things are great. Things are great. What can I get in the phone? Phone bro! Oh man. Okay. We still got some good money here. There's no doubt about that. I am definitely excited about how well we're doing here. Hold up. What is my channel rated here? What are we rated? Globally, I suck. Globally, I only have 80 subscribers. Yet I have so many views. It doesn't make sense. Wait, what's trending right now? I wasn't even paying attention to the comments. I was just clicking through them. Go away. Can you move? Sorry, I have to move the bubble around every once in a while. Okay, what do we have? What do we have? I wonder. Oh. Nope. I kinda want a hat. But I don't have any crowns. I have to publish 5 videos? Seriously? Okay, that's okay. Because our stats are brosome. Oh my god! Oops. Alright, it looks like food is trending, so we're gonna do some food vids. Alrighty. Alright, so we finished this video. Things are good, you know, gonna publish that. And it was almost trending. That's okay. That's good. I'm good with that. Alright, let's see what we have. Oops. Alright, we're gonna do a tech video. I'm not exactly sure. I'm gonna try fashion again. That's been really lucky for me recently. I'm just gonna do this. Just gotta tap it 40 times. And I'll just get this achievement thing. Woo! Alright, task complete. Give me a sec. Alright, and we got 72,000 views. What? Dude. Life is so good right now. Oh, fashion's running low. I used all my luck in fashion. I earned a prestige. I can get a hat. I think I can afford that. Sorry, I was not talking for a while there. Dude! So rich right now. This is insane. I only have 190 subscribers, but I have so many views. Doesn't make sense. Am I done? Okay. I am gonna get a hat. Hat box. How is that a hat? What in the world? Okay. Check. 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 Alright. So I think I've used up all my fashion luck. So we are gonna do... we're gonna do tech. I think it's a bad idea, but we're gonna do it. So here we go. So we're back. Here we go. Whoa, what happened? What in the world? What? Okay, give me a second. Alright, and we are back. Got plenty of stuff to do here. Alright. Oh no! No! And screwed us over. Awesome possum. Oh my gosh. Alright, I suck at that. It's official. What do we have here? Why does it say I have 3 days left? That's so mean. Don't be doing that to me. Whoa! I did not agree to this. It's a graphic image for the kids. Alright, I'm not going to waste my money on that. Oh, they both cost a lot of money. Ooh. Alright, I'm going to wait until I get some more money. Some more money. Alright, give me a second. Alright. So it worked. Things are good. I finished the video. Published it. How's that viralicity? Super low. Super dope though. Super low, super dope though. I should be a rapper. Alright. So, our Let's Play with our little character is not going to be this. It's not going to end here. This is not going to be our last episode, but we're nearing the end. Because I think it gets to a point where it just becomes pointless uploading videos because you have so many views. Another ad. Same ad. Didn't agree to this. Very graphic image for the children. So I'm just going to blow all my money and spend that. Sweet. All my money's gone. Welcome to the world. Okay, so I think sports is trending, and I've never done a sports vid. Should I do it? Cats or sports? Because people talk about cats and dogs in the comments a lot. Let's just do sports. Still got 59 hours left. Great net. Alright, sorry, I started it too early. We are now back to El Gamo. We're gonna publish the sports vid. Let's see how it does. Oh my globs, it's viral! Oh man! Oh man! This is dope! Oh, super dope! Alright, this is good. This is like really, really good. Cause this is good. So it's either dogs or science right now. I'm gonna go with science. Unless it costs money to make it. I think it does. It does! Screw that, it's dogs. We're gonna do dog vid. Puppy! Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, here we go. Here we go, satellite radio. Wowzers! Alright, let's publish this. Let's see how the Doges did. Doges, you only got me a 20% bonus. That's okay, that's okay. We got the views. We got the views. It's okay. We have 1.6 million views! King of the world, baby! Science for the win. Okay, we'll do some science for you, bros. We will do science if that's what you're requesting. Science is what the people want. Science is what we will give them. Alright. This might be the end of the video. Oh, stupid ads. Alright, I'm just gonna buy this. Oh my god, I have so much money. Dude. This is pretty dope, Holmes. Woo! Alright, I did it. I did it. I did it. There's no stopping. There's no stopping us now. Okay, this is going to be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy the next video when it comes up.